still gon' yell it every time you see me in. What's my favorite word? Why they gotta say it like short?
Back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, aka the Black King. This is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello everyone.
Let's get straight into today's hot gossip.
So we want to start off our first topic with Willow Smith. And apparently Willow Smith went out and she showed her insane guitar skills over a Miley Cyrus song. And we just want to say, Willow, Black King Sebastian and I are guitarists. And we're here and we know you want attention, Willow, but hook a brother up.
That's right. I love the way you sound. Bang. That's for you, Willow. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Kate Winslet said that she will not play the new Titanic unless Leonardo DiCaprio plays Jack.
I beg your pardon?
All we want to say for you right now, Kate, is the new Jack is right here. Is Black King Sebastian. Maybe you need a little bit of flavor in the movie because Rose, Black King Sebastian, what are your thoughts about this?
Rose, grab my hand. Let's move into our next hot topic.
Exactly. So Salma Hayek recently posted a photo on Instagram and she was extremely curvy and her fans started begging her to start an Onlyfans.
Goodbye, nigga.
First of all, she doesn't need to do this. Obviously, she has the junk in the trunk and she's shaped like an hourglass, but she doesn't need to do the OnlyFans. She already has so much money. That'd just be something on the side. Let's move into our next hot topic.
The only thing I want to say is don't do it, Salma Hayek. All these other entertainers that you see doing it, like Black China, Beyonce, and all of them starting OnlyFans, becoming... You already know it's not for you, Salma Hayek. It's obviously because they need the money right now.
Yes, I did that. And you would do it too for a check. I was an employee. And I was going to get Employee of the Month. And that's on period.
All we want to say is, Salma Hayek, we know that you're bored at home, looking at the maid walk around, but we will be entering in your name into the She's Hot contest because you got the pow.
You got the assets. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So, Tony says that Dak Prescott's injury may be a blessing in disguise for the Cowboys. They recently went out and hired 2 new quarterbacks.
And
How do
Dr.
you feel
Ross,
about this?
I'm just going to stop you right there. The quarterbacks might be good, but in my opinion, the Cowboys lost, and Dak Prescott, he got off good. Because now, Dak, you should retire. You shouldn't be doing the football anymore.
Exactly.
You're $100 million up right now. You want to still be able to walk around and still be fine.
Exactly. And I don't know what Tony was talking about because it doesn't seem like the Cowboys are actually trying. It seemed like Dak was their only winning player trying, but, you know, it is what it is.
Him and the other player. Let's move into our next hot topic.
So a journalist said that Prince only visited him to steal all his supply of Percocet.
I mean, the only N-word that we drop on a yearly basis in my house is...
Nice.
My question, Dr. Russ, did he get it? Let's move into our next hot topic.
So for our next hot topic, they're talking about the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, saying that Cynthia Bailey is now married. Wendy Williams was also talking about this when she took her hot sauce and just popped it in her tea. We don't know why, maybe to give it some spice, but what are your thoughts about King Sebastian?
She's probably trying to settle down now and get off of the reality TV show. Because she knows that it's going to go crazy. Just every time she's there, craziness ensues. Even though there's no hard feelings. Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
So, Rebel Wilson, I know she's really trying to show everyone she has the pump in the trunk now and that she's lost so much weight. So, Black King Sebastian, she decided to go to the beach and take a gazillion bikini pics. What are your thoughts about this, Black King Sebastian?
Does she look good?
Whoa. You broke it.
Our horoscope for today is Libra. The goal you set yourself is within reach. You have to summon up the courage and deal with circumstances by yourself and finish what you started. To all of our Libras out there, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Da Vinci?
And just to stir up the waters just a little bit, even though the studio co-host and you guys as the audience will be picking the lucky winner out of millions of ladies for our She's Hot winner every single week, we are going to stir up the waters and add in 3 people. Well, one is a few people, but the first one is going to be Andrea Mateo. She's from The Sopranos, and she has her own podcast with another lovely young lady.
Called
and it's
the
called
Gangsta Goddess Podcast.
Exactly. And then second, we have Salma Hayek, who has been in numerous films, but you know, she is married to a billionairist. And for our third one, we have Blackpink, the internet sensations from Korea. Blackpink, here is Black King.
That's right. Let's eat some kimchi together. It takes 5 of you to make 1. But remember, everyone, stay tuned for the She's Hot contest. And stay tuned who is the winner and who loses. But we'll catch you guys on the next installment. And that's for you, Kylie Jenner. We out. We'll catch you on the next installment. We'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Rose gold.